This video is brought to you by the law offices of Michael A. Rabban. If you're a personal injury victim, you're probably wondering how long it'll take to resolve your case. You might need the money to pay for medical expenses or to focus on recovering. Unfortunately, it's difficult to give an exact estimate because each case is different with many variables to consider. In this video, we'll walk you through some of the factors that might delay a settlement or verdict in your personal injury case. Going to trial. About 95% of personal injury cases are settled out of court. Negotiating a settlement outside the courtroom is a much faster process than going to trial. If your case ends up going to trial, it might be months or even years before you receive compensation. Extensive damages. The higher the value of your claim, the more closely the at-fault party's insurance company will want to review the evidence. They'll scrutinize your case to find weaknesses that could potentially lower the value of your claim. The insurance adjuster may attempt to discredit the records or witness testimony in your case. If you seek a lower amount of compensation, the insurance company is usually willing to work with you to come to a settlement and resolve the case quickly. Length of recovery. Before negotiations with the at-fault insurance provider can begin, you must reach maximum medical improvement, MMI. MMI means that your doctor has determined that your condition should not be expected to improve in the future. Only then, and when you've received adequate medical care, is it possible to estimate the value of your claim. The longer it takes to reach MMI, the longer it will take to resolve your case. Complex cases. While every case has its own set of specific circumstances, some cases tend to be more complex and complicated than others. Cases involving multiple parties or multiple insurance companies will naturally take longer to resolve. The less complex your case is, the faster it can come to a resolution. Disputes over liability. If the insurance adjuster has any doubt that their policyholder is to blame, they will look into your case further. Going over evidence to dispute fault may result in big delays. Stalling tactics. Insurance adjusters will try to use any tactic they can in an attempt to lower the compensation amount. They know that victims are eager to recover compensation in order to pay for their massive medical expenses or for their everyday life, especially if they're unable to work because of their injury. Sometimes they will purposely try to delay the case by requesting documents or information repeatedly while also giving you a lowball offer. The insurance company wants to see if you're willing to give in and accept a lower compensation amount than you deserve. Having an experienced personal injury attorney on your side will help you avoid unnecessary complications and will help to resolve the case more quickly. Contact a personal injury attorney today. If you or a loved one has been injured in an accident at the fault of someone else, be sure to work with a qualified personal injury lawyer to get the justice and monetary compensation that you deserve. Do you have questions about your case? You can get the answers now. Contact the law offices of Michael A. Rabban today for your free consultation. Call 818-272-8882 or visit rabbanlaw.com.